Hello everyone, welcome to Chano TV. First question, which country won the 2024 G20 Summit Presidents? A. Brazil, B. India, C. South Africa, D. Japan. The correct answer is option A. Brazil. Next question, who won the 2024 US Open Men's Singles title? A. Novak Djokovic, B. Carlos Alcaraz, C. Dano Medvedev, D. Jannik Sinner. The correct answer is option D. Jannik Sinner. Next question, who is the current Chief Justice of India as of October 2024? A. Justice Sanjay Kishan Kaul, B. Justice N.V. Ramana, C. Justice D.Y. Chandrachud, D. Justice Sanjeev Khanna. The correct answer is option C. Justice D.Y. Chandrachud. Next question, which organization launched the mission Swatch Bharat campaign? A. Niti Aayog, B. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, C. World Health Organization, D. Ministry of Women and Child Development. The correct answer is option B. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Next question, which Indian city was named the world's cleanest city in the year 2024 Swatch Bharat rankings? A. Indore, B. Bangalore, C. Navi Mumbai, D. Bhopal. The correct answer is option A. Indore. Next question, which state topped the 2024 State Health Index released in September 2024? A. Kerala, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Maharashtra, D. Gujarat. The correct answer is option A. Kerala. Next question, who is the Chairman of ISRO as of October 2024? A. K. Sivan, B. S. Somnath, C. Mil Swami Anadrai, D. Dr. G. Satish Reddy. The correct answer is option B. S. Somnath. Next question, which country launched the Green Hydrogen Roadmap 2024? A. China, B. France, C. India, D. United Kingdom. The correct answer is option C. India. Next question, which country hosted the 2024 BRICS Summit in 2024? A. Russia, B. China, C. Brazil, D. South Africa. The correct answer is option A. Russia. Next question, which campaign was launched from 17 September to 2nd October 2024 under Swachh Bharat mission? A. Mission Swasth Bharat, B. Swachhayat Hi Seva, C. Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan, D. Annie Besant. The correct answer is option B. Swachhayat Hi Seva. Next question, which Indian state has been declared the first digital state? A. Karnataka, B. Kerala, C. Tamil Nadu, D. Uttar Pradesh. The correct answer is option B. Kerala. Next question, which Indian cricketer retired from all form of cricket in 2024? A. Virat Kohli, B. Rohit Sharma, C. Ravichandran Ashwin, D. Shikhar Dhawan. The correct answer is option D. Shikhar Dhawan. Next question, which state is known as Rice Ball of India? A. West Bengal, B. Andhra Pradesh, C. Punjab, D. Tamil Nadu. The correct answer is option B. Andhra Pradesh. Next question, which counter launched the world's first 6G satellite in 2024? A. USA, B. Japan, C. China, D. Korea. The correct answer is option C. China. Next question. Who was elected as the new Prime Minister of the UK in 2024? A. Rishi Sunak, B. Liz Truss, C. Keir Starmer, D. Boris Johnson. The correct answer is option C. Keir Starmer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.